Motivating retail staff isn't just about paychecks or end-of-month bonuses. It's about creating excitement, ownership, and a sense of reward that connects effort with recognition. Spiffs, short-term sales performance incentives, are one of the most effective ways to do that. The right spiff idea can transform a slow store into a motivated, high-performing team. A well-designed spiff works because it's immediate, fun, and goal-driven. It creates that extra push during a sales drive or product launch. But not all spiffs are equal. The best ones are simple to understand, easy to track, and rewarding enough to matter. Start by tying rewards to clear, specific goals. For example, when launching a new product, offer a small cash reward or gift card for every set number of units sold. The instant reward keeps energy high and the focus sharp. Another powerful idea is team-based spiffs. Instead of individuals competing, set a collective sales target and reward the entire shift or store once they hit it. This boosts collaboration and eliminates internal rivalry, especially during busy seasons like holidays or back-to-school drives. Non-cash spiffs also work wonders. Think experience-based rewards, paid lunch breaks, movie tickets, or branded merchandise. A free day off or store hero parking spot can drive motivation just as much as cash. Recognition-based spiffs, like featuring top performers on a staff board or in company newsletters, strengthen pride and commitment. Rotate spiffs regularly so they don't lose impact. Keep them short, a week or two, and make sure results are tracked transparently. Staff should see progress in real time, whether through a leaderboard, dashboard, or daily update from the manager. The more visible the success, the stronger the motivation. Finally, always celebrate results. Even small wins deserve acknowledgement. Gather the team, give a quick shout-out, and present rewards in person. That moment of recognition reinforces a culture of performance and appreciation. When done right, spiffs aren't just sales boosters, they build energy, teamwork, and loyalty. They remind every staff member that effort is noticed and rewarded. That's the real secret to lasting retail motivation.